Next week is looking a little promising. Yeah, not just with rain, but also with some slightly lower temperatures. Yeah, not going to be the case today, though. 70 degrees to kick off the day. Dallas Baptist University, we've got a clear sky overhead starting at 70. I want to show you the big picture, though. I'm watching this front that is just to our north. That front stays to our north. It's going to stall. That means that we don't get in on any of the rain or the slight cool off. In fact, areas along the Red River may see an isolated shower, but most of us stay completely dry. But because of the proximity of that front, our temperatures are going up. It's called compressional warming. That's why we'll see a high of 90 today in Dallas, Denton, and in McKinney, 92 in Fort Worth. If we make it to 90, we will tie a record high temperature for this day. 90 tomorrow, which also ties a record high. We're not done there. 89 on Friday, also tying a record high. A cold front does move in late Friday. It only drops our highs into the mid 80s for this weekend. Still technically warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year, but at least it's, a little lower. But look at this. I'm taking you to next week because this is much more exciting than what it looked like yesterday. Okay, so next week, this is Wednesday around 7 in the morning. We see that front approaching. We see some of that moisture returning and finally some rain. That means we could see rain before the end of the month, meaning October won't be completely dry. Remember, we haven't picked up any rain this month. This is Thursday around 10. That front works its way in with some rain in the area. Now, yes, that does mean that we could see rain on Halloween. Right now, it looks like we could pick up anywhere between a ½ of an inch to 1 inch of rainfall. The highest totals will be towards the southeast. Of course, this can still change because we are still a week away. This is from October 30th through November 1st. On that 14th day, though, a lot of warm weather. We're looking at 91 degrees today, 90 tomorrow. The mornings still in the upper 60s. Next week, like I said, with a little bit of rain, looking promising, a lot more 70s on the 14th day. All right, stay